So this is a video where we can create any web page by using Bootstrap and design our page in a better way and in a more efficient way without writing code. Yeah, I repeat, without writing a code. But code will be used, but we don't need to actually write code on it. So at first, we have to create our file. We will call it index.html, right? And then we will add a boilerplate over here. Let's name our file as Bootstrap. Yeah, it's good to go now. Now, at first, if we write something over here, if we write in a heading, let's write h1 and we say hello world. Okay, and we close it over here. Let's see what happens. This is what it comes. Okay, but if we want something like a nav bar, like if say in YouTube they're having a nav bar. See, such a beautiful nav bar they are using. This is the navigation bar and such a beautiful nav bar. If we want to create a nav bar and in the same time we don't want to waste time in writing the code, what we will do? We will simply use Bootstrap. Now let's search over here. Bootstrap. We'll go to the homepage of Bootstrap. Over here we will get these links to link our project with Bootstrap. We will copy this and we will paste it below the title. It's not copied. Yeah, this one. And we'll also have to copy this and paste it over here. And now we will delete. Now let's just uncomment it. Okay. And now we have to search for a beautiful nav bar. Let's search for the nav bar. Here is the nav bar. If we want this kind of a nav bar in our page, we will have to copy this. Just simply copy this from here and paste it over here and save it then. Let's see. Look how beautiful does it looks, isn't it? If we want, we can include another kind of a nav bar. Like if we want this kind of a nav bar, what we will do, we will copy this. Okay, and instead of using it, we will use this. By saving it, we can say this. Okay, but we will go with this one to make our page be more beautiful. Okay, so we will use this and save it. See how beautiful it looks. Now let's search for any other kind of a feature that we can use in our page. Let's see. How about if we use this kind of a form in our project? If you want this, we just need to copy it and paste it below. See how beautiful it looks. Let's design it more. we will not say navbar. We will change its name. Let's see what we can do. We have to search for navbar because navbar was written over here, as you can see. This one. You see? We have to search for it. Here is the navbar. Let's see the content. It's written email address. It's written password. We will say login page. Okay. Home is okay. Link is okay. It's something else. We don't need to touch it as it's looking perfect. We go over there. Look, it's saying login page. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Now you can write anything over here. You can write your email address @gmail.com. Sorry, it's not a dot. You can set your password, and you see how what's the beauty of this? The password is written in a password form. Let's see how it's done. See, in the password, the input type is password. That's why it's taking the password as a type of password. Okay, let's see what it does if we take this one as text. Then what will it do? It shows it. The password is being showed. If we type anything, this is showing. But if we want to do it as a password, then what will we have to do? We will have to simply let the password be in a form of password. And if we save it now, and we come here and we type anything, it will show as password. And that's the beauty of Bootstrap, right? Just simply link your Bootstrap with your design and then link your script. Script is nothing but JS, the brain of your total, what is this called? Of the total website, right? Yeah, of the total website. This is the link of the main designing, like the CSS part, and this is the link of the JavaScript part or the brain part of the program. Okay, this is how you use Bootstrap. And did you notice in the meantime where this Bootstrap is used? No? Let me tell you. It was given over here. You can see this one. What will happen if I change this? I will say I am Bootstrap. Okay? See? It's written I am Bootstrap. Should we go for any other kind of a designing? Let's find out. The server is not working actually. Validation. Oh, this is a good one. Should we use it? Let's use it. We copy this. We come down and we paste it over here and we save it. Let's see what happens to our program. See, this again comes with a beautiful design. Now as you can see, it came with a name called Mark and the last name as Otto. It's a funny name. But why it's coming? Let's find in the code. let's find photo. See, over here auto is written. Let me tell you, this is the default value of the code. Okay, this is the default value what's written. If I would have written the first name as not a and the second value of the last name as ordered, then it will show you not a order. As you can see, there is nothing, a value that is being pre-assigned to this username. But there is surely a value that is being assigned to the last name and the first name, but not in the place of city, state or zip. And you can also check this. See, agree to the terms and condition. Check me out. This is the fun of Bootstrap that you can use. You get many features from Bootstrap. You can use anything to do your job better. You also get APIs, beautiful APIs to take from the Bootstrap and use it in your front-end designing. Look how easy and seamless it becomes. Wow, that seems to be interesting. Should we try this? Of course, we must try this. Let's go to the navbar part. Let's uncomment this at first. Let's uncomment this. Or should we try to give this code just below of the navbar? Let's see what happens. Wow, this looks kind of a beautiful one. Let's try to uncomment the upper navbar. Let's see what happens now. The navbar is out and the second navbar that we have used in our program is now in. But it actually disrupts our website. It makes it more worse than that it was. Like it was not worse, but still we will keep this and we will uncomment this because that doesn't looks good, isn't it? We save this and bingo, we get our no, we didn't get actually, sorry, we didn't get, sorry for that. We saved this but it's not coming. Okay, let's see. We have to uncomment this too, so that, yeah, now it's perfect, isn't it? See how seamless it looks. That's all about Bootstrap. Me signing off.